Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to check or how to rewatch the video that you already liked before on TikTok. So first thing we're gonna do is open the TikTok application, and when we play a TikTok, sometimes we like randomly scrolling down to watch several or random content, and we also, after we finding an interesting content, we will like spontaneously click this love button to send them support. Don't you know that after we click this love button here, it will be recorded into our profile, and so that we can like rewatch it again. So how to check it? Just go into the profile button, and after we are generated into the profile button, we can go into this love symbol here. Then we will be generated into the collection of video that we liked. Yep, so that we can like rewatch it again by just clicking the video. Right, so here guys, the way how you like check what video that you liked, or to rewatch again the video that you liked before. If you find that this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.